5 years from now, you remember this season as the moment you either upgraded your skills or became part of that 2.59 million. In July, unemployment in the Philippines spiked. 2.59 Filipinos out of work, up from 1.95 million just a month before. The jobless rate jumped from 3.7% to 5.3%. The highest since the pandemic years. Hindi lang ito headline. This is the reality of the market you are competing in. Every new person who loses a job is another person willing to work for less, applying for that same role, pitching to the same client you want. So the real question is not, may opening ba? The real question is, what can I do that is so valuable, people cannot ignore me? Start learning skills that make money, not just noise. Solve problems. Build something, sell something, improve something where you are. Because in a shaky economy, your best job security is the value you create. If this hit you, share it. Your future you will thank you.